Here's a quick project for a kitchen scarf that you can do to use up your scraps. The full instructions for the Mise en Place kitchen scarf are available at the link below. You'll need a piece of woven fabric and a tea towel. Cut the tea towel in half and mark the center of each side. Now we do an accordion fold. Fold each edge of the towel to the center and then fold it back to the side. Flip the towel over and fold each folded edge into the center again. Repeat on the other side. Pin the towel to your strip of fabric, right sides together, matching the centers. Then at the machine, baste the towel down on each side. Fold and wrap the corner edges of the scarf around the towel and baste about 1 inch on each side. You'll do this on all 4 corners. Then sew the center seam, leaving a 4-inch opening for turning. Go back to scarf ends and sew each side again. Sew inside the previous stitch line to hide them. Now we flip it to the right side. And finally, top stitch down the towel on each end and sew the hole in the center closed. And there you have it! A kitchen towel scarf is super handy to have and easy to make. Happy sewing and cooking!